Hi, my name is Bashar Taqi, and today we'll be talking about Mail Auth Analyzer. This is a tool that you can use to verify your DKIM, SPF, and DMARC compliance while making sure that all the records are correctly configured, giving you an in-depth analysis of your email headers. There are two ways to actually use the Mail Auth Analyzer, either by sending a blank email to this recipient address here, or uploading the email header. So I've already sent out one email to this actual address, so we'll go ahead and diagnose that now. And before that, I'd just like to show you that we can actually upload the email header. You just simply need to press the button here and then paste in the full email header that you can get from your inbox. Once that's done, it will give you a loading screen and it'll tell you that this has been successfully updated. Just a note here that once you send out the email or upload the header, it does take some time for this email to process for this in-depth check, and once that's done, you'll be able to see a more in-depth analysis details. At an overview, you'll be able to see the email, the source IP address, the email subject, the DMARC compliance, so here I can see that actually my email passed DMARC, and when this was created here. So let's take a look at what the in-depth data would look like by clicking the view button here. Taking a look at the in-depth analysis, immediately I can see that it has detected an error, and the error detected is that there's no image data on my BME record, which I need to configure. Of course, it'll tell me the DMARC compliance. We'll be able to see that it is passing DMARC at the moment, as SPF is compliant. However, DKIM only partially passed from this domain. So this would indicate to me that I would still need to configure DKIM for this email. You can get actual data about the email, so the from address of this email and the return path, as well as the date received. We can see the subject, the published policy rate, so here I can see it's on DMARC quarantine, the alignment modes for SPF and DKIM, and that they are aligned or not. The applied policy, so as this DMARC email has passed, the policy is at none, as well as my current SPF lookup limit. To also tell me the 6 policies that we have on this portal, and the actual configuration for them. So I can see at the moment DMARC and SPF and MTSCS are valid. However, TLS RPT, BME are not present or invalid, as well as DKIM down here. And you can actually see the sender details here in a more detailed manner, where I can see the host name, the source, the policy, as mentioned above, the SPF and DKIM. So here I can see the DKIM authentication actually failed, who reported this, and the creation date. At the very bottom here, you'll be able to see the actual email header, where you can actually view the raw email header here, or you can actually switch to the human readable format where it breaks down based on the tag available to the raw data. And you can go through this to see the DKIM signature, the SPF passing, and all that information. So as I can see that the DKIM compliance rate is bad, so let me go ahead and fix DKIM and then upload a new email or through the email header to see how that would look like. Based on the recommendation given to me by Mail Auth Analyzer, I will now go ahead and upload a new email header after I have already configured DKIM on my portal. So I can just simply go to the upload header button here, as done previously, and paste in my actual new value. Once that's done, that review will be submitted, and after waiting some time, we'll be able to see that email in this pass here, under the widget here, apologies. So let's just wait some time, and then we'll be able to see this on the portal. After waiting some time, we can now see that this email has been reviewed, and we can actually press this icon to view the details for this new email to see whether this email can pass DKIM, DMARC, and SPF as well. So if I open this, I can now see that DKIM is actually passing, DMARC is passing, and SPF is passing. So based on the data I received from Mail Auth Analyzer, I was able to successfully update my actual policies to improve my overall health score by implementing the correct policies, in this case, DKIM. To summarize, MailAuth is a powerful tool for you to use upon configuration of any new record. Whenever a new record is published, it can be tested using MailAuth Analyzer to make sure that this record has been successfully implemented and that your emails are performing in the way that they are. Thank you for your time today, and I wish you a happy implementation. Thank you.